Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we will learn how to advertise your business on Google Maps absolutely free. Let's get started. Did you know that 90% of the worldwide search traffic goes through Google? What a big bonus to use Google! You can advertise your business on Google absolutely free. Ready to learn more? So, let's dive in. Google My Business is a one-stop shop for all of your business information. It gives your business much more visibility. It's tied to the Google Map. It's in the middle of the first search result page. And you pay nothing for being advertised on the first page. It's a one-stop shop for your customers. One click and your customers get your name, star rating, address, hours, phone number. Your customers can easily click on your website or navigate to your business. It gives you noticeable visibility on mobile phones so customers will easily find your business. One click and you get a call from a new client. And it's absolutely free. No money needed to advertise your business. There is even more. You can easily build your website on the Google platform with free hosting. Get information about the number of people who are calling your business, visiting your website, and much more statistics that we'll cover in additional videos. So, how do we start? Create your Google My Business account, verify it, set up your business information, and optimize your profile on daily basis. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to learn more how to advertise your business, visit my channel and subscribe. If you need any assistance or professional help, feel free to contact Khaleesi Media. See you next videos. Bye guys!